In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Figma slides in presentation mode. If you've created a deck in Figma and you're ready to share it cleanly with an audience, presentation mode is the fastest way to do it. We'll walk through getting to your slides, choosing how you want to present, and a few quick tips so everything looks polished. First, head to Figma's home. From there, open the slides deck you want to use. You'll see your recent files and any team projects you have access to. Make sure you're opening a Figma slides deck, not a standard design file. If you don't see the slides interface or thumbnails along the side, you might be in the design tab. Switch to the slides deck instead. Next, select the slide you want to start from. Inside your deck, you'll see all your slide thumbnails in the sidebar. Click the specific slide that should appear first when you present. This is helpful if you're jumping into the middle of a workshop or skipping your title slide. Now, look to the top right of the screen and click Present. The Present button is in the toolbar and launches your deck into a clean, view-only mode. This is what your audience will see, without any editing UI in the way. You'll get a choice to present with notes or without notes. Presenting with notes opens a presenter view that shows your speaker notes, a timer, and upcoming slides, perfect if you have a second screen. Presenting without notes shows only the slides themselves, which is best when you're sharing a single display or sending a link to viewers. Choose the option that fits your setup. If you plan to share your screen on a video call and have one monitor, the no notes option usually keeps things simple and distraction-free. Once you pick your option, Figma opens the presentation in a new browser tab. If the new tab doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow Figma. From here, you can navigate with your keyboard. Use the right and left arrows or the spacebar to move forward. Press Escape to exit at any time. For a cleaner look, maximize the window or use your browser's full screen mode. If you're demoing embedded videos or animations in your slides, give them a quick test beforehand to make sure audio routes correctly. And that's it. You've put your Figma slides into presentation mode, chosen the right view for your setup, and you're ready to present with confidence.